Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. So if you are new to my channel and still have not subscribed yet, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new recipes, you get that video notification. So today I am presenting a delicious Bengali delicacy, fish kalia. In Bengali we call this as Macher Kalia. This is a very rich royal fish curry. Generally it is served in Bengali wedding or in any Bengali auspicious occasion. The preparation is also pretty simple and easy. Check the ingredient list. So for this I have taken 5 big chunks of Katla fish. You can even take rohu fish also. Now you need to marinate this with salt, turmeric and red chili powder. Now rub the fishes very well and allow this to marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. Now in a heated karai, add sufficient oil to fry the fishes. Now I am using refined oil, but generally Bengali delicacies are cooked in mustard oil. It just enriches the taste. So you can also use mustard oil also. Keep the gas flame in medium to high and fry the fishes from both the sides. Now one thing, do not fry the fishes very hard. Each side 2 minutes of frying is enough. Now these are done. Now take this in a bowl and keep it aside. And now let's prepare the rich delicious gravy. Now for this I have taken 2 medium-sized roughly chopped onions, 2 medium-sized roughly chopped tomatoes, handful of kishmish, that is raisins, 1 inch chopped ginger, 7 to 8 garlic and 3 green chili. Now in the same leftover oil, we'll put all the roughly chopped onions, green chili, ginger and garlic one by one. Now you need to saute this for 2 minutes. Now once you see the onions getting light brown color, you need to add the tomato and kishmish. Now all the onions and tomatoes are roughly chopped, as I will make a smooth paste of this later. So after adding tomato, just fry this for another 2 minutes. And now it is done. So transfer this to a mixer grinder and now we'll make a smooth paste of this. Now no need to add any further water, just make a paste. And you can see the paste is ready now. And now in a heated karai, add 1 tablespoon oil. Now lower the flame and one by one add 2 cinnamon stick, that is dalchini, 6 to 7 green cardamom, that is choti ilaichi, 3 dry red chili, 2 bay leaves, that is tej patta. Now fry all this for few seconds. Now the flame should be in low only. Now in the same oil directly add 1 teaspoon turmeric, that is haldi, and 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now mix this very well. Now adding Kashmiri red chili will not make the dish spicy. This will only give a rich color to your gravy. Now saute this for 1 or 2 minutes in low flame. And now add the onion and tomato paste. Now put the gas in high flame. Mix everything very well and keep on sauteing for 5 to 7 minutes. Now you can add little water while sauteing. And now in a separate bowl, take 4 tablespoon curd, that is dahi, and also take 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, that is dhania and jeera powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Now blend everything very well. Make sure that there should not be any lumps. The rich onion tomato gravy is also well cooked now. You can see the texture. And now again lower the flame and add the curd mixture. Again mix it properly. Add salt according to taste. And little sugar just to balance the gravy. Now mix everything very well and cover with the lid. Put the flame in low to medium. Keep it like this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, just open the lid and you can see all the masalas are well cooked now. Oil is also releasing from the sides. Now mix everything very well and now put the gas in high flame and now add 1 cup hot water. As fish kalia is not a very watery gravy, it is actually a very thick rich gravy. So 1 cup water is enough. Now mix it and allow it to boil. And now finally add the fried fishes. Mix it properly with the gravy. Now add 4 to 5 whole green chilies. This is only for the beautification. Cover with the lid and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes in low to medium flame. Once it is done, just flip the fish pieces. And your delicious fish kalia is ready. Serve it with plain rice or basmati pulao or even with Bengali fried rice. The recipe is actually pretty simple and easy. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you like it, then please give a like to this video. Share it with your friends and family. Put your feedback in the below comment section and please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.